Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 4-cylinder. We're doing the front brake pads and rotors, and on the rear as well. It's the front looking like, and the rear. Yep. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
And onto the back, we got two 14 mils. Get those out. You want to lubricate these guide pins as well. Get that off. Pads. Alright, back here we got 19 mil, 1 and 2 holding the bracket. Take off your hardware. Next, remove the rotor. Make sure your emergency brake is not on. It's not engaged, because it won't come off if it is. Go ahead and spray it down. Brake cleaner. Alright, sprayed it down. What you want to do, poke that out and put it in there. Go ahead and spray it down. New hardware. And our pads. Alright, get our caliper. Push that piston back. Alright, you want to always lubricate these guide pins, because if you don't, they can become stuck and your caliper will seize, lock up. It won't glide, it won't slide. And that is how you replace rear brake pads and rotors and the front. Hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.